Hello students, now we are going to discuss about soft skills. You are having 4 soft skills for your first sem from 4 lessons, and each lesson have one soft skill which are very important for you. And from the first lesson you are having a soft skill about motivation and goal setting. Okay, so motivation means what? Motivation means it is the process of motivating someone, means inspiring someone. Okay, now so motivation acts which makes us act, how to play, how to learn, how to reach our destinations. Now for example, if you are motivated, you may struggle hard to get the course that you always wanted to study. Okay, so motivation means inspiring. For example, you may inspire someone or you may be inspired by someone. So motivation is of two types. What are they? External motivation and internal motivation. Okay, so external motivation means what? It is a reward, a social achievement which is received at the end of the course. Okay, what is the external motivation? External motivation is a reward or a medal or a prize which will be achieved at the end of your course. Okay, so for example, if you won a cricket match, then you will get a trophy, no? That is the external motivation. Okay, next, so most people get externally motivated to do the best they can. So most of the people in the society are motivated externally due to the reward what they will get after the achievement. Next, second one is internal motivation. Internal motivation is our own happiness or self-satisfaction in doing a job well. What is internal motivation? Internal motivation is our own happiness, means it is our self-satisfaction. Whatever the work you are doing, we are getting self-satisfaction, means we are internally motivated by ourselves only. Okay, so there is a difference between internal motivation and external motivation. What is that? When the reward is removed, so when the reward is removed, the external motivation may vanishes. What is the vanishes? Means it disappears. When the reward is removed, the external motivation vanishes. By the way, but internal motivation never disappears. It stays lifelong. Okay, so now coming to goal setting. Goal setting means what? What is the goal? Means whatever you want to achieve in our life, means we have to decide something in our life what we have to do. That is called goal setting. So goals are normally cultural specific and this cannot be helped. So goals means what? They are decided within our limits. Okay, now defining one's goals within such set of circumstances and one abilities is important in carrying out a successful future. So when you are deciding our goals, we have to keep our abilities in our mind and our family abilities and our abilities in our mind, and we have to decide what is correct and what is incorrect. So we have to be always keep the realistic picture in our mind, and is also not always possible to reach the moon. So we have to keep our goals within our possible limits due to several reasons. If you keep your goals unbelievably high, then the sense of failure will be disappointment and even greater and long lasting failure. This may lead to unhappiness in your life. So make your goals in such a way that they are embedded with real circumstances. Means make your goals which will be possible in your life and which you can achieve in your life without any failure. Okay, this is about motivation and goal setting. This is the soft skill from your first lesson. Okay.